In this video, I will show how to change your own air filter in your AC furnace unit. This is on a Lennox Elite series, and there's actually two air filters in this one. So the first thing that we do is turn off the power. That way the unit won't turn on while we are changing the filter. So these little doors, they pull straight out. You can see they have just little latches there that pull straight out. And now I can see the old filter, and I can slide that out a little bit. You'll notice that the airflow goes towards the furnace. You want to make sure that you get that correct, because all of the air that's coming from outside the house, it goes through this filter and then into the furnace itself. So you want to make sure the airflow points towards the furnace always. You'll see also I have the date written here. So it's been about three or four months. And so I try to replace these pretty frequently. You'll see it's a little gray, not terrible, but I like to replace these every 3 to 4 months. And so here's my new filter. You notice the airflow. I want that going towards the furnace. And then also I've written the date on here so that when I pull this out later, I know how long it's been. You just slide straight in. Also pull down these little flaps. Sometimes they're glued and they don't come off very nice, but those are nice later for when you're pulling it out. You have something to grab onto. And so slide this door, just push it straight in. You'll hear that snap in. And now we'll do the bottom one. And here I make sure that the airflow is going up towards the furnace. And slide that all the way in, and then snap the door back on. I purchased these air filters off of Amazon. I will put the link in the description. You just want to make sure that you get the correct size for your furnace. And the last step is to turn the power back on. And that's it.